Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to design iPhone 12 wallpaper in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start the tutorial. Create 1080 by 1920 pixels document with black background. Create new transparent layer and select elliptical marquee tool. Draw a big circle like this. Adjust the circle from corners of document. Now select brush tool and set dark purple color as foreground color. Make sure brush hardness set to 0%. Increase the brush size and start painting. Change foreground color to light purple. Decrease the brush size and start painting on the edges. Create a new transparent layer and select elliptical marquee tool. Draw circle again and adjust in the center. Take brush tool and pick other shade of purple. Start painting within circle. Pick slightly light purple color. Start paint near the edges. Create a new transparent layer and select elliptical marquee tool. Draw a little circle and adjust into vertical center. Repeat the same steps we did earlier. Now again create a transparent layer and draw a small circle into the center. Repeat the same steps we did earlier. Double-click on layer and select drop shadow and blending options. Change blend mode from normal to multiply and adjust the values according to this. Now right-click on layer and select copy layer style. Right-click on layer 3 and select paste layer style. Right-click on layer 2 and select paste layer style. This is the final, but now you can change color easily. Let's create gradient adjustment layer. Choose any colorful gradient. Change blend mode from normal to color. Now you can apply your favorite gradient and see the magic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this tutorial and subscribe our channel.